in terms of accounting and finance, what's the best way to teach yourself? I was always so interested in it from such a young age that my approach was to go to the Omaha Public Library and just take out every book there was.
Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, a name synonymous with the unparalleled success in the world of investing that many only dream of accomplishing. But what if I told you that the secrets to his success, the blueprint to his billions, are hidden not in complex algorithms or insider tips, but within the pages of 27 books? Today, we will cover these literary treasures, uncovering the wisdom that shaped the mind of the world's most successful investor. From understanding human behavior to mastering the art of financial analysis, these books offer a roadmap to wealth inspired by Buffett himself. Much like the inspiring tales of financial growth, today's story is structured, progressing from the foundational steps to financial mastery. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your investment game, there's a lesson here for everyone. Laying the foundation from $0 to $10,000.
You know, all of us in this room want to read new information and have it confirm our cherished beliefs. I mean, it is just built into the human system, and that can be...
Every empire, no matter how vast, begins with a single step. And for those looking to walk the path of financial success, it starts with understanding oneself and the world around us. Buffett himself has often emphasized the significance of relationship in business. After all, investments just aren't about numbers, they're about people. The books covered here are amongst his recommended list, and they cover the basics of understanding people and good habits to set you up for success. Starting off with Dale Carnegie's classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book isn't just about making friends. It's a deep dive into human psychology, teaching us the art of effective communication and the power of genuine appreciation. Learning how to navigate arguments and getting people to think your way does not consist of condemning or correcting their behavior. In fact, it's about learning how and when to be diplomatic to achieve the results you want. Taking this understanding further, Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion, by Robert B. Cialdini, delves into why people say yes and how to apply this understanding in various aspects of your lives, especially in making sound investment decisions. If you want people to say yes to your offers, it's all about understanding the people in front of you. Understanding the triggers that lead people to make decisions can be a game changer, especially in the volatile world of stocks and investments. As we lay this foundation, the book Dream Big by Christiane Correa reminds us of the limitless possibilities that await those of us who dare to dream and persevere to chase those dreams. This inspirational book is high on Warren Buffett's list of recommended books. If you want to make a big change, you must dream big. As Buffett once said, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. And these books, they're the first deposit in that invaluable account. Understanding the Basics of Investing, from $10,000 to $100,000. As we move beyond the foundational principles, the road from $10,000 to $100,000 is one of the most difficult for many. The following books will teach you the basics of investing and how to avoid the mistakes that many have made and reach that elusive $100,000. Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor is often hailed as the Bible for investors. Graham introduces the concept of value investing, emphasizing the importance of looking at intrinsic values rather than market trends. It's about finding those hidden gems in the market, those undervalued stocks that promise long-term growth. As Buffett mentions, price is what you pay, value is what you get. One could argue that this is one of the cornerstones of Buffett's investment strategy, and he himself claims that it changed his investment strategy at an early age.
I read a paragraph, actually, in Chapter 8, I think it was, of The Intelligent Investor. And it told me that I wasn't looking at the duck, I was looking, now it was the rabbit, whatever it may be. And whether you call it a light bulb, whether you call it, a moment of truth, whatever it may be. And that's happened That happened to me in Lincoln. I mean, it changed my life. If I hadn't read that book, I don't know how long I would have gone on looking for head and shoulders formations and 200-day moving averages and the odd-lot ratios and all.
But there's more out there than just stocks. You need to navigate bonds and mutual funds too. The book Common Sense on Mutual Funds by John C. Bogle is perfect for this topic. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, now one of the most powerful financial companies in the world, emphasizes the power of compound interest and the benefits of long-term investing. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. This is an essential lesson that you don't want to miss. If you want to win in the market, you must first get in it. So, just get in and as soon as you can, because compound interest will, over time, become your best friend. That being said, the world of finance is full of quirks and ironies. The next book on Warren Buffett's list is compact with hard-learned lessons, and adds some humor for good measure. Where Are the Customers' Yachts by Fred Schwed Jr. It offers a take on Wall Street, shedding light on the often misplaced priorities of brokers prioritizing their own profits over their clients. Why is this book so important and recommended by Buffett himself? Because it gives you an understanding that not all financial advisors have your best interests in mind. So, before you go hunting down any advisors or brokers, keep in mind that your profits can suffer if you choose the wrong one. The lower your profits, the longer it will take you to reach your goals. It's a reminder that knowledge is power. The more you know, the more you grow. Lastly, if you want to reach that $100,000 goal without suffering major losses, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle reiterates the essence of simplicity in investment strategies. In a world buzzing with complex financial jargon and intricate investment products, Bogle's advice is clear. Keep it simple, focus on the long term, and trust the power of compound interest. These are the same wise words ushered by the Oracle of Omaha himself.
I think it's the same thing that makes most sense practically all of the time, and that is to consistently buy an S&P 500 low-cost index fund. Keep buying it through thick and thin, and especially through
Advanced investment strategies from $100,000 to $1 million. Now, as your investment journey progresses, the stakes get higher, and the strategies can become more specific. This is when you should consider starting to learn advanced strategies. Luckily, with the guidance of Warren Buffett himself, you can confidently navigate these waters. Diving deeper into the realm of finance, Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David L. Dodd stands as a shining light. This book goes beyond the basics, teaching investors how to evaluate stocks, bonds, and other securities. It's not just about understanding the numbers. It's about interpreting what they signify, discerning the potential from the pitfalls. For anyone looking to get serious about value investing, this book is a must. Another great book on the list is Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip A. Fisher, which dives into the art of evaluating the potential of stocks. Fisher's approach, which involves grassroots research, aligns with Buffett's emphasis on thorough due diligence. It's a testament to the fact that surface-level knowledge is never enough in the world of investing. But investing isn't just a solo endeavor. The synergy of great minds can amplify success. Poor Charlie's Almanac by Charles T. Munger offers insights into the brilliant mind of Buffett's right-hand man. Munger's multidisciplinary approach to investing, drawing from disciplines like psychology, history, and mathematics, shows the importance of a well-rounded perspective in making these investment decisions. Buffett often compliments his staff as the reason they have succeeded at Berkshire. Then we have The Outsiders by William N. Thorndike Jr., which offers a fresh perspective on success. It chronicles the journeys of 8 unconventional CEOs who, much like Buffett, defied the norms to achieve unparalleled success. Their unconventional strategies, from aggressive stock buybacks to decentralized operations, provide valuable lessons for those looking to think outside the box. Finally, the book Investing Between the Lines by L.J. Rittenhouse further helps you understand the details behind reports and why they matter. In a world where corporate communications are often filled with jargon and embellishments, Rittenhouse emphasizes the importance of transparency and integrity. By learning to read between the lines of annual reports and shareholder letters, investors can gain insights into a company's true health and prospects. In the world of advanced investing, knowledge is your weapon. But it's not just about acquiring information. It's about understanding, interpreting, and applying it with wisdom. As we venture into higher stakes, remember Buffett's words. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Equip yourself with knowledge, and the path to wealth becomes clearer. Which brings us to our next section. You can't go into investing without reading the books and letters the Oracle of Omaha has written himself to guide us. Gaining insights from the master, from $1 million to $10 million. Diving deep into the mind of Warren Buffett provides invaluable insights that can shape your investment strategies as you aim for the multi-million-dollar mark.
You just want to make sure you don't make any mistakes that take you out of the game or come close to taking you out of your game. You should never have a night when you're worried about investing. I mean, assuming you have any money to invest at all, and you should spend a little bit less than you earn.
The Berkshire Hathaway Letters to Shareholders by Warren Buffett is more than just a collection of annual letters. It's a treasure trove of wisdom, chronicling Buffett's thoughts, strategies, and reflections over the years. From his candid admissions of mistakes to his insights into market fluctuations, these letters offer a masterclass in investment philosophy. They underscore the importance of transparency, long-term vision, and ethical business practices. In addition to his letters, the book, A Few Lessons for Investors and Managers from Warren Buffett, distills the essence of Buffett's wisdom into actionable insights. Whether you're an investor looking to optimize your portfolio or a manager aiming for operational excellence, this book offers nuggets of wisdom that can transform your approach. Next up, we have a book called Warren Buffett's Ground Rules by Jeremy C. Miller. This book offers a deep dive into the early years of Buffett's investment journey, shedding light on the foundational principles that shaped his approach. These, quote, ground rules, set during his partnership years from 1956 to 1970, provide invaluable insights into Buffett's mindset and strategies. From his emphasis on conservative investments to his focus on long-term value, the book encapsulates the essence of Buffett's philosophy. For those looking to understand the bedrock of Buffett's success, this book is an indispensable guide. Next on the list is Tap Dancing to Work, Warren Buffett on Practically Everything by Carol J. Loomis. This book offers a comprehensive look into Buffett's views on a variety of financial topics. From his early days in Omaha to his philanthropic endeavors, it paints a holistic picture of the man behind the billions. As the title suggests, when you love what you do, work feels like tap dancing. This lesson is a hard one to learn, but for many who end up millionaires, the work is more than just that. It's a pleasure and it's a thrill. Finally, Limping on Water by Phil Buth and K.C. Schulberg. We get a glimpse of Buffett's media investments and his association with Capital Cities and ABC. It's a fascinating journey highlighting the importance of recognizing potential and nurturing relationships in the business world. This book is a high-level investment lesson for those who can make powerful connections and see the benefits of investing in single companies. But the path to multimillionaire status isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about values, vision, and endless learning. In the words of Buffett, it's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. So, if you make it this far and want to continue your account and your name, you're gonna need to diversify. Diversifying knowledge and perspectives, $10 million and beyond. In the realm of investing, diversifying isn't just a strategy for your portfolio, it's a mindset. As you scale the heights of financial success, broadening your knowledge becomes paramount. Why? Because with diverse knowledge comes the ability to spot diverse opportunities. And Warren Buffett, with his many book recommendations, underscores this principle. Then there's this book, The Clash of Cultures, Investment versus Speculation, by John C. Bogle. This book dives into the contrasting worlds of long-term investment and short-term speculation. Buffett's recommendation of this book highlights the importance of seeing fleeting trends and lasting value. By differentiating between speculation and genuine investment opportunities, one can navigate the market with a clarity that eludes many. Another great book for diversification on this list is called Market Returns, which offers a deep dive into market cycles, emphasizing the cyclical nature of investments. Buffett, with his long-term investment horizon, understands the significance of recognizing these cycles. By anticipating market movements, investors can position themselves advantageously, seizing opportunities in downturns and capitalizing on upswings. This strategy comes with experience and is great for those who have been in the market for a long time, and now have a better understanding of its ebbs and flows. Now, if you're an entrepreneur, Shoe Dog by Phil Knight is a must-read. But it's more than just an entrepreneurial journey. It's a testament to vision, perseverance, and the spirit of innovation. Buffett's nod to this book underscores the importance of understanding industries from the ground up. Recognizing the potential in budding industries or startups can lead to exponential returns. If you don't know who Phil Knight is, then I suggest you look it up. You've likely worn his stuff before. Lastly, 40 Chances by Howard Buffett offers insights into philanthropy and the broader impact of wealth. This one comes from his son, and is a reminder that financial smarts, paired with a vision for positive change, can create legacies beyond just monetary success.
Measure how well you've done by how much money you've got. I guarantee you that. You'll all do fine on money anyway. I mean, think about it. 7 hours a day, you're in a bed. You got exactly the same mattress I've got. If you don't, we'll sell it to you at the Furniture Mart. So that, we're on a parity. I can't outdo you, in terms of my sleeping enjoyment. You can match it by buying this mattress, which.
Advanced financial theories and concepts. Okay, so you made it this far in the video. The next books are for those who love finance theory. With his appetite for knowledge, Warren Buffett has often turned to seminal works that dive into the heart of financial theory and practice. Stress Test by Timothy Geithner offers a first-hand account of the financial crisis and the decisions that shaped its aftermath. Buffett's recommendation of this book underscores the importance of understanding economic events and their ramifications. Recognizing the signs of an impending crisis and understanding its aftermath can be invaluable for an investor. That's when the opportunity to buy low comes, and it only happens every so often. The next book on the list is The Warren Buffett CEO: Secrets from the Berkshire Hathaway Managers, and it offers insights into the minds of those who have helmed Buffett's vast empire. It's a deep dive into management philosophies, operational strategies, and the ethos that drives Berkshire Hathaway. For those looking to understand the intricacies of managing vast portfolios or business, this book is a goldmine. Essays in Persuasion by John Keynes introduces readers to the macroeconomic theories that have shaped global economies. The General Theory of Employment, Interest, and Money by John Maynard Keynes is another foundational text in macroeconomics. Buffett's nod to these works highlights the importance of understanding the broader economic landscape and its impact on individual investments. Then there's the book called The 10 Commandments of Business Failure by Donald R. Kioff, which offers lessons on what not to do in business. Understanding and avoiding pitfalls has been as crucial as recognizing opportunities in Buffett's journey. Lastly, The Most Important Thing Illuminated by Howard Marks offers insights into the nuances of investment strategies, risk management, and market dynamics. It's a holistic guide to understanding the multifaceted world of investing. As we come to the end of Warren Buffett's book recommendations, it's evident that the journey to financial success is multifaceted. It's not just about understanding the stock market details or mastering investment strategies. It's about understanding human behavior, recognizing the broader economic landscape, and nurturing a mindset of continuous learning. Buffett's success story isn't just a tale of financial genius. It's a story of curiosity and interest, his unwavering ethics, and his commitment to lifelong education. Each book we've discovered offers a piece of the puzzle, a step in the roadmap to wealth and success. Which brings us to you. Have you read any of these books before? If you have, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts on these books. And if you have any recommendations, let's keep the conversation going. Drop your book suggestions in the comments, and let's build a community of informed and inspired investors.